Hi, my name is Corrine Wallach, and I am the Community Program Manager for Neo4j. I want to quickly walk you through the Neo4j Community site and how easy it is to learn and contribute to the Neo4j developer community. Make sure first you have created an account and are logged in. We set up single sign-on through Auth0 to make the process easy and quick for you. The Neo4j Community site enables you to view and post topics that are relevant to Neo4j developers. Inside the site, you will find different categories, some with more specific subcategories. For example, Neo4j Graph Platform has a subcategory of Cipher. In addition to the technical categories, you will also find a category to share and discover open source projects, community-generated blogs and content, and local discussion groups. You can browse the topics inside a general category or one of its subcategories. Some categories will also include tags. You can also track or watch a particular category of interest to you. You can also search for a particular term using both simple search criteria and more advanced search. Here's a topic with 2 replies, where you can add your own reply. Notice at the bottom of this topic, we see suggested topics based upon the content of this topic. You can also track or watch a particular topic. You can assign or share a topic with another user. If there's a particular area of the site you want quick access to, you can bookmark it, and it will appear as a bookmark in your profile. To start a topic thread, select the specific category your topic most closely matches. You can create a new topic where your post can be written in Markdown or HTML. You should provide descriptive titles, as this will help other users understand at a glance your intentions for the topic. Notice too, you can also select tags for your post. You can check out any user's profile to get a better idea of who they are, their interests and activity, and are able to contact them directly through a private message. Users of this site can earn badges based upon their participation in the community. Now that you're all up to speed, go ahead and introduce yourself in the Introduce Yourself category. The content in this topic is automatically added to your profile that you can then fill out with additional information. Here in your profile, you can also configure notification and watch list settings. That's how easy it is to get started using the Neo4j Community site. We look forward to seeing more of you.